Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can download Alibaba product video. Now this is going to be a quick and easy tutorial. You can download any video from Alibaba. You just need to go to the product page on Alibaba and you will be able guys to download the videos. Okay, so first thing you need to do guys, if you are using Windows or Mac, you can just open a new browser and search here for you want to search for like Chrome extensions. Okay, you just need to search here for Chrome Web Store. Okay, Chrome Web Store, as you can see. Click enter and it will open guys. You just need to click on the first result here. It says here Chrome Web Store. Click on it and now you want to search for an extension. It's called Download Alibaba Video. Okay, so you just need to search here in the Chrome Web Store. You want to search for Download Alibaba Video and you want to select this extension that will help you download any video from Alibaba. This is the extension. This is the image of the extension, as you can see. Click on it and as you can see it has like 7,000 users and also the reviews are good, like the ratings are good and the stars like is 4.5 stars. So this app works. Okay, so you want to click on add to Chrome and you want to click again confirm, click on add extension. Okay, so after guys you click on add extension, you want to pin this extension in the top. Okay, you want to click on the extensions icon in the top and you want to pin this in the top. Okay, so you just need to click here on this pin icon, click on it and that's it. That's all you need to do guys. Now you want to go to Alibaba and you want to search for any video that you want to download. So for in this case I'm going to search here for camera, like 3D camera, like or camera video. I'm just going to search here for a random video here so that I can download it. Okay, so I'm going to check if this product has a video or not. Okay, it seems like this product doesn't have a video, but I'm going to go with this one. Yeah, this product has a video, as you can see. Okay, so to download guys this video is very easy. Just click on the extension guys in the top right and now you will have multiple options. You can also download the images if you want, or you can download variation images. Okay, now in this case I'm going to download the product videos. You can see if you click here on download product video, this video will be downloaded. As you can see, this is the video. I'm going to click on it and as you can see the video has been successfully downloaded. As you can see, that's exactly guys how you can download any video from Alibaba. If this video guys helped you, please drop a like, and if you have any questions let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. See you guys in the next video. See ya.